Today I'm tackling one of those chores that a lot of homeowners avoid, pressure washing a tall house. Mine is only 2 stories, but it's built on a hill, so it's effectively three in a lot of places. And in the past, I've either had to balance on a ladder or just ignore those spots that I couldn't reach. This Giraffe Tools pressure washer is a great tool, and it has a 100-foot hose, which reaches all the way around my house just about. But getting to the tall spots, I'm not a fan of getting on ladders. Luckily, my nephews came over with the best tool ever to add to this, which is a 24-foot telescopic wand. Nice thing is it works with most any regular pressure washer, and it comes with different spray nozzles, so you can choose anything from a wide wrench to a stronger stream for tougher spots. The support belt strap really helps because holding a 25-foot pole for a while does get tiring, even though they muscled their way through it without using it. But the belt takes a lot of that weight off your arms if you do need it. For the cleaning solution, we used Krud Kutter house and siding pressure wash concentrate. It's biodegradable, it's supposed to be safe around plants and pets, and it did a great job breaking down mold and mildew and just dirt in general without scrubbing. We just put a foam cannon attachment on the end of the nozzle and loaded it up with that concentrate, and it did a great job. Basically, just spray it on, wait a few minutes, and then rinse it right off with a little bit of a wider spray tip. Or you can use the turbo nozzle if you like. The difference on the siding, though, is night and day. Now, personally, I wouldn't recommend standing on a ladder holding this thing like this because just the recoil from it could probably throw you right off the ladder. But that's why my nephews came over to help me because they knew I wasn't getting up there on the ladder to do this at all. So I'm glad they came over and they did a really good job. And I don't think they could have done it without this tool. Really great tool, great chemical. And the combination of this tool and that chemical with that Giraffe pressure washer, they were able to knock this job out in no time. Anyway, if you want to check out what we used, I'll link it in the description. Those are affiliate links. They help the channel at no extra cost to you. I really appreciate it when you use those. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.